Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I've got this unit from Wiggins Hair. It was sent to me and they are sponsoring this video, but as always, all thoughts are my own. I'm looking so good. I have to go literally right now to go look cute at the dinner table. Happy Valentine's Day, happy love day. It's a little late, but that's what I was looking like on Valentine's Day. And I recorded it for y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get on into it because I ain't got much time to describe what's going on. You see it, you like it, you don't. Let's get into it. So to kick it off, this unit comes pre-curled, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, which is pretty crazy. It also comes with an elastic band, an edge brush, and lashes. And this is the inside cap construction. As you can see, the notch are literally bleached. Like, that's kind of crazy. I threw it on, and this is what it was given. I didn't do anything to it at all. Literally out the box on my head. And that's like so wild to think about because these wigs are just now becoming like out the box, out the head. Remember when you had to do so much to your unit? Now you can just put a quick little style in it and call it a day. So cutting out my ear tabs, and I just trace along the edge of my ear, then flick it up, use my eyebrow razor to get the rest, and boom, ears is out. Hit on the other side, come back. Let's hot comb all this to the back just to see how everything's gonna lay. Get a good view of that pluck job they did on it because, like I said, I didn't pluck anything on this unit. And I'm using my hot comb to just put everything back, get it in perspective. At this point, I'm like, wow, the hair is kind of giving. Like, really sucks. I'm about to put this back up because this looks so good. I've been using this technique that's pretty old, but new for around here. First of all, look at this melted HG lace. Like, it's not melted yet, but like, could it practically be? Yes. So I added a few dots using eyeshadow to not add too much gel to the hairline. Just stop it right where the hairline goes. I'm using my boho hold liquid gold. It's been doing me so well lately. I need to get more boho hold products because I literally am using this boho hold. I need to see what else they got. Like that jelly they have. Get back into that original boho hold glue, so I will be featuring more boho hold products here soon. In the meantime, I'm using my blow dryer on a cool setting. Well, no, I'm lying, on a warm setting, and that's how we're gonna get it tacky. And once it's tacky, we can put the lace on down. And this install was super easy. I was literally getting ready for Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day, like, so I couldn't be late. So for this to be so easy as it was, like the wig fit so well, and just marking those dots helped a lot. So, and also my ear caps cut. So this is just a pretty simple install. I'm using warm air, make sure everything's placed where it wants to be placed, not tugging because you need to tug. It can create a ripple. So just placing things down, setting it down, using my hands and the comb to just press things into lace and making sure that the hair doesn't get too into the glue because it can get hard and that's not fun to deal with. I am going to get rid of a little bit of the front piece just because sometimes I feel like they are a tad overplucked, but nothing too crazy. Just, you know, make it just a little bit more natural. And anywhere where the lace is lifted, I got some boho hold liquid gold on my tip of my comb and put it up under and boom, melted. And pretty much this went by so quick. Like, I was really pleased with the installation and the quality of the lace and how the bleaching job looked. Like, everything just that went into this wig made it look so natural, and I'm a fan. So at this point, I'm like, oh yeah, she's giving, like, look, give side part. But before we can do give side part, we gotta melt this lace. I'm using this lace melt spray, this silver can. I was using the purple one, but I'm trying this one out and I like it. She's cute. She did the job. My hair was looking very good all night. All my pictures, my hair looked so good. You saw me on Instagram. I was looking so good. Follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me on Instagram. Beauty via JaLeah. I was looking so good on Valentine's Day, and I hope it looked very good. I hope to get back on my posting bag, posting more, wear my natural hair. Like, that's coming soon. I promise you. In the meantime, I'm doing this lace. I'm blow drying this on a cool setting and using my palm of my hand. Got this trick from, again, shout out Boho, the hair diaphragm, the owner of the hair diaphragm or diagram. Ain't that birth control diaphragm? The hair diagram. She was saying that it's good for you to use your palms or your hands. And at this point, I'm like, let's get this half the pap down situated. So that's what I'm doing now. Tips and tricks: if you want your half the pap down, go into the back. You want it to be really flat. Go in between the frontal. This frontal goes really deep. It's a full 13x4. Go in between the frontal and just hot comb everything in that direction so that it just lays really flat and clean and sleek. At this point, she was super cute. The curls was given. She's very lustrous, very shiny. But I'm like, this would just give a lot more if she was to the titties. So that's what I did. Very much grown woman hair, pro grown woman hair. That length goes just above the tie. So it's just the rules. I don't make the rules. I'm just the enforcer of them. So I cut my hair and I got my half a pap down situated. As you can see, this frontal goes deep, even on the sides. So I'm just making sure that I have some anchorage on the sides and everything is just matching up on both sides. Make sure that you don't want one side lopsided. Like, that's not cute. Use my hot comb to just really define that part. And because it's pre-bleached, it looks like I have a wig cap on and I literally don't. Like, so at this point, I'm following where I made that part and just using those tracks in the back to make a ponytail. I'm going to separate those tracks from the front and the back, and I'm going to separate the back of the back, put that in a little ponytail, so that when I'm doing my half a pap down, ain't nobody bothering me. I just need to be able to do my ponytail in peace. In the meantime, here's the milk so far, which was given. You can kind of still see a little bit of that eyeshadow I used, but it won't matter here soon. It'll be gone. You pull out the baby hair, see motion, hot comb. And also, I really love to just premeditatedly like plan out my swoop. So I pull up my sideburns and then I'm going in with my edge booster. It's in this scent blueberry. It smells so good. Blueberry smells so good. Like, I've never had a blueberry before. It's so tasty good. I wish I could eat it, honestly. Anyway, I like to swoop the back of my baby hair. I like to just make sure that it all flows. Because I'm going to be doing the ponytail before the baby hair. I just want it to like, I just want to go into. So this is how I do that. Please get, I wish I could smell that. I'm smelling it right now. And like, I literally don't even have it around me. That blueberry scented edge booster smells so good. My hot comb, and I'm just following that up. And slicking this back with my edge booster as well. Because it's really giving scalp. Like, can y'all see it's really giving scalp? That's kind of crazy. I got a little bit of spray for that part right there. I saw was a little bit of lifting and a little bit of spray on that side. Wherever there was a little bit of a white cast. And I blow dried that before I even put my scarf back on. But then I realized I did all of that and I never even pulled out my little curlicue in the front. So this one I realized I had my little curlicue. Pulled that out. And the curlicue was a bit of a work in progress. But I think she ended up turning out cute. But yeah, just pulled her on out and put back on my scarf so I could get that half a pap down situated. And that's what I started on next. Clip that to the side and got my got to be. I don't know, I haven't had got to be in a while, so I got me a little trial size one. And I think I gotta give me a big body got to be because my slick back was so slick. I did my best friend's hair the other day and I did her half a pap down and it was so slick. I need a big old can of got to be. I don't know why we lose the recipes. We need to get back to our roots. And our roots is the gotta be spray. That's how I first even like had installed my wig, with the gotta be glue, gel, and a little bit of spray. So we're going back to our roots this year. 2024, the year of returning to our roots and returning to the recipes that we have. I'm using my hot comb, really slick that back. I'm really trying, like, doing my best friend's hair made me realize how I wish I could see the back of my head because I did her a little half a pap down and I angled her rubber band downwards a little bit. So that's what I recommend after you do your little half a pap down. Angle the rubber band downward so that it don't stick out flat like that. I thought it was slick and cute. I did it on the first try, so I wasn't mad. I didn't know. Hindsight 2020. It looks really good. I was really pleased, as you can tell. But I would have pushed it down a little bit, so just lay it flat before I went ahead and did my little wraparound. My wraparound turned out cute as well, so I'm using my gotta be, and I'm just taking a piece of that ponytail, wrapping it around, and combing it as flat as I go, and making sure it's just really sleek. And I'm using my edge booster to wrap it around that final wrap. And boom, we gotta have a pap down. And like, as you can see, like, it don't look bad. But if I just angled the ponytail downwards, it would just took it there, you know? But hindsight 2020. Let's get into baby hair. I kind of went back and forth with them, but I was really pleased with the milk. Super pleased with the milk. And really pleased with my little swoops I had for the baby hair in the back. Loved it. So went ahead and used my eyebrow razor to just cut the hair. I'm doing like a few variations of this curl. I'm going to touch it up and curl it and like touch it a lot. I went through a lot of variations, as well as curling my baby hair with my pencil flat iron. I love this flat iron. It makes it so easy to do my baby hair these days. And my baby hair has really been looking really good to me. I think this is some of the best baby hair I've ever had.
honestly, except for like that really beginning like 2019 baby hair. I think was really cute. I need to get back to that too, but I think this is a nice combination of what my baby hair looks like for my natural hair and what my baby hair used to look like back in the day. So here's me in the first variation of the little curly Q in the front. It was just a bit too long, a bit too big. It just, something about it was off. So I was like really trying to feel it. I'm like, maybe if I do a little spray and I just try to make it happen, maybe that'd be cute. But it was just too big. Maybe if it was on the side, it would have been fine. But smacked up in the middle of my forehead, big old like that, like it wasn't giving. So I moved on, and I was gonna come back to it. I did my baby hair so quick, like so quick. The new method I've been doing with spraying the hairspray, curling it, spraying the hairspray again to lay it down, and using just a little bit of edge control to lay them down all the way. I'm really messing with the style. So as you can see, it was looking pretty good. And this is no edge control. This is just hairspray, and that's it. And that's what they was looking like. And can we say a minute for the wig? A minute for the wig looking like my scalp. Like, this is what hair looks like. It doesn't look super over plucked. It looks just the right amount of natural. And I think for me not having plucked anything on this unit, very good. Very good. I'm a fan. And I did that curly Q so good. So off camera I cut my little curly Q in the middle a little bit more. Now I wish I just cut it a little bit less, because it was just a little too short for me. I wish that's just, again, hindsight 2020. I would have did it just a little bit longer, but not that long, because I really liked how it curled up and it like had a nice little taper and it laid flat to the head. Like, all that I really loved. I just wish it was just a little bit bigger. But all in all, I looked very good. I was really pleased with everything, and I liked my pink lip and my blush. My slick back was so good. The unit looks so natural, but I had, of course, add a little bit of concealer to the sides, just give that really natural half up, half down look. And this is what I was looking like. I was so pleased.
So that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed so much as I did, as much as I look good. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I look good, which has to be a lot. I feel so girly, so dainty. I got a pink lip on. That's so girly, isn't it? Somebody's gonna ask. This dress is from Opali. My dress from Opali. Shout out to Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. I am very proud of the outcome, and I'm so glad that everything turned out just how I envisioned it. It's been so real, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.